everybody, I am Bhagyashree Telsang from class ninth. Today I am going to show you how to make a wonderful bed lamp in home by using some materials. So the materials required for making bed lamp are shown here. A circle which is made up of a cardboard we need, a lace, a favicol, a bulb and holder also we need, and even we need a thread, a scissor, a screwdriver, a electrical wire and some paper cups. Therefore, these all are the materials required for making a wonderful bed lamp in home. So let me show you how to make a bed lamp by using these materials step by step in this video.
So now the second step of making bed lamp I will show you in this video. So take total 7 plastic cups. So take a screwdriver and make a hole downside for the first plastic cup which you want to keep it in middle. So this is how the first step. Next you take a cup and keep this place. See, like this it should happen. One by one you have to keep this pleasure. Little it will take time. But don't do hurry. See, this is the third cup I am taking. This is the fourth one. Fifth one. And the last, sixth cup. So this is how it will become. So this is how it will become after keeping all step layering and all. So to look it nice, if you like to keep, you can keep a lace as I am showing here. So take a favicol and keep it here. And take the lace and attach it here. See, if you want, you can attach for all like this only. You should attach and come. So it will become, I will show you how it will become at last. You should keep little much favicol, then only the lace will attach. So like this one by one you have to attach the lace. So it will be ready. Thank you. First step to make the bed lamp. Take 3 cups and make a hole downside for first cup. And take another cup. Make another hole downside to the cup. And take third cup and make a hole downside. And also even this side you have to make the hole. Next step. Take the electrical wire. Keep the wire in the hole of the cup side also and even downside also. Next, take another cup and keep the electrical wire where you have made the hole. Then take third cup and keep in that also a electrical wire. So this is how it will become. So this is how it will become. And next you should take a Fevicol and stick them all. You should see the size here. Therefore, this is how the stand of bed lamp is finished. So next step. The third step of making bed lamp is, so as you know, we have kept lace and all for the bed lamp. So to look it nice, let us make some kuch for the bed lamp. So it is very easy to make. See how I will make. By using woolen thread, we can make this. As you know, in everybody's home, the woolen thread will be there. So after this, you take this outside and cut it. So make the same size of all kuch, this all threads stands. Next we should tie a little thread here. So like this only you should make some kuches. See, 1, 2. As I shown here, you should make total 7 kuches. So after that you have to stick for the bed lamp. So let me show you how to stick. See, this is the bed lamp. As I said, we have, as I shown in the first step, we have made the stand. In the second step, we have made the upper part of bed lamp, and we have even joined the bulb to that by using holder and all. So this is how the bed lamp is ready. So I have attached some kuches, and I will show you how to attach another one kuch. Take a Fevicol. See, this is how we can attach the kuches. So you can attach all the kuches for this. So it looks very beautiful. So let me show you after. Let me show you that our bed lamp is ready. See, the bulb is on. So if it is little we are in the afternoon, so the reflection of bulb will be not found in afternoon much. So at night it looks very beautiful. So therefore this is the process of making bed lamp. Step by step I have shown you. Thank you everybody.